Good morning, sir. Welcome to JFK Airport. May I see your ticket and ID, please?
Good morning. Sure, here's my ticket and my passport.
Thank you. Let me verify your information. Typing. All set. Are you checking any bags today?
Yes, I have one suitcase to check and a carry-on bag.
Perfect. Please place your suitcase on the scale. John places the bag on the scale. Your bag weighs 23 kilograms, which is within the weight limit. Did you pack this bag yourself?
Yes, I packed it myself.
And has your bag been in your possession at all times since you packed it?
Yes, it has.
Great. Are you carrying any prohibited items, such as sharp objects, flammable materials, or liquids over 100 milliliters?
No, I made sure to follow the guidelines.
That's good to hear. Is there any fragile or valuable item in your checked bag?
No, nothing fragile or valuable.
All right. Your bag is checked in and will go directly to your final destination. Here's your baggage claim tag. Please keep it in case you need to track your bag.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's talk about your carry-on bag. Do you have any liquids or electronics in it?
Yes, I have a laptop and some toiletries under 100 milliliters.
Perfect. At the security checkpoint, you'll need to remove your laptop and place it in a separate bin. Make sure your toiletries are in a clear plastic bag.
Got it. Anything else I should be aware of?
Yes. Please remove any jackets, belts, and shoes at the security line. Also, empty your pockets.
Will do. Thank you for the reminder.
One last thing. Are you carrying any food or snacks in your carry-on?
Just some packaged snacks for the flight.
That's fine. Make sure to declare any fresh produce or items if you're traveling internationally.
I understand.
Great. Here's your boarding pass. You're all checked in. Your gate is B15 and boarding starts at 9:30 a.m. Do you have any questions?
Yes. How early should I be at the gate?
I recommend being there at least 30 minutes before boarding starts, and your flight departs at 10 a.m.
Perfect. Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful flight, Mr. John.
Thanks. Have a great day.